World Cup trophy with my broski. Messi's very short. Ronaldo is the god. Neymar's got holes.
Mbappe scored.
Who wants the smoke? Smoke. Ronaldo just said he won't stop scoring. Messi missed a penalty. He missed a penalty. Someone tell the referee he has no chemistry.